If you've ever used money affirmations before and noticed they worked for a moment, then the stress came back. There's a reason for that. It was never about discipline. It was never about belief. It was about sequence. Money patterns don't live in logic. They live in the nervous system. And the subconscious does not accept change while the body feels unsafe. That's why most affirmations fail. They're applied too early. This method is different because it follows how the mind actually updates. Here's how to use these money affirmations correctly. First comes permission. You allow a new idea without pressure or demand. Then comes repetition. Simple phrases, repeated calmly until resistance softens. Then comes release. Old stress, guilt, and urgency are allowed to unwind from the body. When those happen in order, affirmations stop feeling forced and start feeling familiar. That's when they work. You don't need emotional intensity. You don't need to convince yourself. You don't need to believe harder. You need consistency in a relaxed state. That's it. Use these affirmations when you wake up, before sleep, or whenever money stress appears. Let them play. Let them loop. Let your system adjust. Now anchor this. Take a slow breath in and let it out. Repeat softly. Money can feel easier than it used to. I don't need struggle to receive. My body is learning that financial safety is normal. I am allowed to have more without pressure. I am allowed to feel calm about money. I don't force change. I allow it. Notice the shift when nothing is being pushed, when nothing is being proved. That's how patterns change. Quietly, consistently, permanently. This is why the order matters. If you're new, start with episode 1, reinforce with episode 2, clear resistance with episode 3. Return here whenever you need to reset the process. You're not fixing yourself. You're retraining a system. If this resonates, subscribe to the channel and explore the full Quantum Money Circle playlist. This work compounds over time, and ease becomes the new normal. Stay with it.